Securities Exchange Board of India. Today we'll discuss about Securities Exchange Board of India (SEBI) and history why the SEBI was established and objectives of SEBI. First of all, Securities Exchange Board of India (SEBI) was established started its operation in 1988, but actually just as a non-statutory board, the SEBI was established. Government of India just established one board to regulate, to control the stock exchange, but it was not having any power, any statutory powers. So it was not having much power to interfere in stock activities in the stock exchange. It was not having much power to interrogate any suspicious brokers, traders who are involving in trading and who are manipulating the stock market. So such authority was not having with SEBI. Then when the Harshad Mehta scam broke out, so when Harshad Mehta scam broke out, so after that, government took an initiation. Government thought that yes, there is a requirement of one kind of regulatory authority, SEBI, where it should have or it should given more powers to uh, control all the stock exchanges. Then in the year 1992, Government of India enacted SEBI Act, Securities and Exchange Board of India Act in 1992, when it got approved in both the houses of Parliament. So it got enacted, and since from 30th January 1992, SEBI came into force. So SEBI got statutory power in 1992. Many people, when we ask when SEBI was established, immediately they'll tell on in the year 1992. But actually, SEBI was established before that in 1988. It got statutory powers in the year 1992. Then this Harshad Mehta scam. Harshad Mehta scam was the biggest scam in the stock market ever, in Indian stock market, where this Harshad Mehta scam was it's like a pioneer to many things in stock market, where one kind of regulatory authority came into existence. Government started intervention on the stock market activities. Even RBI also interfere. Actually, RBI will not come to picture directly, because it's not a banking transaction, banking activities. It's a stock trading activities. But at that time, RBI also started intervention. Now, at present, it's a collaborative regulatory function that SEBI also controls, Ministry of Finance also interferes, and RBI also interferes. So such kind of system was existing, started existing after Harshad Mehta scam broke out. So many things happened after Harshad Mehta scam, and the biggest change in Indian stock market is establishment of SEBI. So the objectives of SEBI, when it comes to the objectives of SEBI, there are many functions or objectives with related to the SEBI. Mainly, these are the aims where SEBI was established. With all these aims, objectives, SEBI was started in the year 1990. Actually, in the 1988, but it got more importance in 1992. So we'll see one by one. To regulate activities of stock exchange, someone should be there to see all things what's happening around us. So like that, someone should be there to regulate, to control what's happening in the stock market. It is not like you invest money and tomorrow you lose money. It should not be like that. And SEBI is also called as watchdog of stock exchange. Watchdog of stock exchange, it will see what's happening. SEBI will watch all the transactions in every stock exchanges. Currently we have mainly only few stock exchanges who are operating in India. One, the popular two are Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. In these stock exchanges, what's happening? So what are the issues are there in these stock exchanges? These things will be controlled, supervision and under control of SEBI, with objective of seeing that what's happening in the stock market, what need to be implemented to control all these objectives. With all these objectives, SEBI was started. Then to protect our interest, for example, if I invest for 10 lakh rupees, I have a huge money, 10 lakh rupees, I'll invest today. By tomorrow morning something happens to market will crash. Where is my money gone? To whom I need to complain? So here no one has not robbed my money. The market has taken it. How I need to get it back? So there are biggest and there are many questions how to overcome this. There should be some regulatory authority to control this. So to protect my interest, it means I should not lose hopes that, oh, today I lost 10 lakh rupees. I'll not invest in stock market ever. I'll leave the stock market concepts only. Like that, I should not think. To avoid that, SEBI will protect our interest of investors. SEBI try to gives psychological support to all investors that we are there with you. It also ensures the safety of investors, and also it protect the interest. I should not lose hopes on investments. So that is also one objective SEBI was established. Then ensures safety. So just now I mentioned, if something happens to market tomorrow morning, by opening only, the entire market crashes. My entire 10 lakh rupees is gone. What will be my situation? If something happens also, it should not affect much adversely, negatively. So like that, some authority should be ensuring. So to ensure all these things, SEBI established. SEBI came into picture to ensure that, oh, okay, we are there. Nothing will happen to the investments who are invested in money. They should not lose hopes. With all this intention, SEBI started. Then to protect fraudulent and malpractices. If someone is trying to rob, or if someone is trying to do or manipulate something, then what we feel, oh, this something is not, it is not good, it is not good for the entire economy, or it is not good, like that we'll feel. So that is also one kind of negative or negativity which shows in the stock market, that need to be avoided. Who will avoid it? Who will identify that? Who will try that? So SEBI will always have an eye on all these things. To prevent all these things, SEBI is established. So there is a concept called insider trading. Some managers who are involved in the management of company, they'll only release a secret information of company. That secret information may leads to market volatilities. Today one manager announced that tomorrow I'll my company will announce dividend. If that particular manager release that information to one of his relatives or friends, what happens? So his relatives friends will purchase that company shares. Tomorrow morning his company shares will be having more market price, high fluctuations. So that leads to more fluctuation. Immediately what happens? When they get money, they'll sell the shares. So then actual price will comes down. That is not an actual price actually. That is a manipulated price. That is an artificial price. So there should not be like artificial scarcity or artificial demand in market. No one should not do that. Harshad Mehta scam, in a scam same thing happened. He utilized the fund from money market. He utilized the money from various other banks. He have taken money to utilize or to enter or in the money market, and he used that entire fund which is available from this money market in stock market, and he used that money and he tried to manipulate, increase the share price. Immediately few companies shares got fluctuated immediately. It means within a short period of time, within a short span of time, few companies shares gained so much of value. How it happened? So because they manipulate it. It should not happen. It should not happen. That is not good for the society. That is not good for the market. That should not happen. With that intention, SEBI entered. SEBI established. Then there should be some policies. It should not be like simply. There should be one law, code of conduct. What's happening? How to invest? What are the rules? Stock exchange need to follow. What are the rules? Stock brokers should follow. Traders should follow. Investors should follow. What kind of account you need to open, what is depository, all these things are included in the policy framework. So SEBI also established to frame, to develop a separate these kind of policies. These policies will supportively help to stock trading, stock dealings in India. So all this, with all this objective, SEBI was established. Thank you.